You know how many propane tanks that they have there? There's no turning that off.
It's going. When one goes, they all go.
The big explosion was probably one of the big tanks. No, they don't work there at night.
But A. Columbus right next door. All that wood.
So is the storage.
Oh my God, yes. Look at that.
Jennifer's far enough away, right?
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
closer than Jennifer is, right?
We're closer than Jennifer.
We're only a couple blocks away, Carrie.
We're the closest from all of us.
Can you hear the flames from here?
Huh?
You can hear the flames.
Yeah. It's going and going. Another one opened up. Another one opened up.
How big is the plant?
Big. I'd say probably 10, 15 acres.
Straight propane.
Just stacks and stacks and stacks of propane.
I feel like the trees gonna catch on fire.
I'm surprised nothing's actually flying.
Yeah.
You know.
I'm sure
It
there's
depends
also-
on what it is that's
It could
burning.
be the underneath. I'm sure there's a bunch of stuff underground.
Could be.
Things underground.
It wouldn't surprise me if they come evacuate us.
Oh my God.
See, sheriff. Not at the airplane. It's an airplane? They need to get them out away from here.
At first I thought the kitty and dogs got into it.
I thought something.
Well, then I heard the door slam. And I'm like, oh my God, somebody hit the house. Because the whole house, I felt the whole house shake.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you imagine the firefighters riding up to a fucking scene like that?
There's nothing you can do. You have to let it go.
You have to let it burn out.
The only thing you can do is try
put-
and cool down everything else
Yeah.
around it so it doesn't spread.
Dampen everything else.
Right.
That's it.
I know my stepdad's a fireman, and they've had fires like factories like that just blow
Yeah.
where there's gasoline and stuff, tanks and tanks and tanks of it. And he used to come home saying it's just there's nothing. You stand there and you're trying to hose everything else down and trying to
All
make
you
sure.
can do is let it
That's
burn.
just it. Let it burn. There's nothing you can do.
I won't be
They're
surprised.
gonna come
if-
from everywhere. Leesburg, Eustis, Tavares, everywhere.
Yeah, they're probably going to try to evacuate us. This isn't exactly the safest place to be when a
Where are
propane
we
facility.
gonna go?
I can go to my parents' house.
Say Julie Week? They have too much.
Oh, they have plenty of people
They
in
have too
the
many people
house.
there. Never mind.
My
We'll go to
parents
his
aren't
parents.
home.
Oh, okay. Are they on a trip?
Did you go see Oreo?
Yeah.
Okay. If they end up coming by, then we'll
can only imagine what that main explosion was that freaking woke everybody up to begin with.
Oh yeah.
And
Look at
this
that.
time at
Oh
night.
my God. It just
It's
keeps
getting
on
bigger
going.
this way.
Yes.
It's gonna keep going. It's just
It'll be going till tomorrow or so. Tomorrow we will.
Probably. It's just incredible. I mean, you can hear them exploding, tanks just bursting. What's he doing?
I don't know. They're all
Look at
freaking
that.
out.
I mean,
It's lit up.
it is lit up. Oh, here goes another.
Yep. Because there is just stacks and stacks of it. Yep.
You can see pieces just. Oh my God, that's another big one.
Holy shit.
Oh my God,
There's something.
it's just amazing. Can you imagine clouds like that? Atom bombs?
Yeah. But bringing it in.
That's the sheriff's office.
See there, a news helicopter.
I think that they're probably too far away right now still. That's the sheriff. Because of the lights.
It's a good thing that it's been wet lately.
Yes.
It's bright. It's day. It's daylight.
Yeah. This keeps going. We're not sleeping tonight.
It's not going to turn off. It's not going to stop anytime soon. There's too much propane there. I wonder
Seems
how
like
it
it's coming.
started.
Something shorted or, anything.
But you'd think that there's
Have
an
shut-off valves or
emergency
something.
shut-off
Yeah.
procedure. So it had to be something in the tank storage.
You know how we'll be able to use their special forces stuff.
Yeah.
Special whatever it is.
Airport can bring their
Airport.
stuff.
They'll need it.
Yeah.
That's for jet fuel and stuff. They'll
There you go.
need it.